Have you ever considered what happens when a community, a state, or even an entire country starts having significantly fewer babies? It is a change that ripples through every part of society, often subtly at first but growing stronger over time. Understanding this trend helps us make sense of the world around us. Directly answering your question, low fertility rates primarily lead to a population that will eventually shrink and, in the interim, significantly age. This happens because there are not enough new births to replace the older generations as they pass away, creating a demographic shift with widespread effects. The core reason behind this is what demographers call the replacement level fertility rate. This is roughly 2.1 children per woman, which accounts for child mortality and women who may not have children, ensuring each generation replaces itself. When fertility rates consistently fall below this number, as they have in many developed nations including the United States, the population ages because the proportion of older people grows relative to younger people. Factors like increased access to education and career opportunities for women, higher costs of raising children, urbanization, and readily available family planning resources all contribute to this decline. It is a natural outcome of societal development and individual choices. To understand how this affects your own community, you can look for changes in the median age, which tells you the midpoint of the population's age distribution. A rising median age is a clear indicator of declining fertility. You can also observe the age dependency ratio, which compares the number of people too young or too old to work to those in their prime working years. Local demographic reports and census data are excellent resources for tracking these figures, helping you see the trajectory of your neighborhood or city's population. An interesting concept here is population momentum. Even if fertility rates drop suddenly, a population can continue to grow for a while if there is a large number of young people who will eventually enter their childbearing years. However, once those large cohorts age out, and with sustained low fertility, the population decline accelerates. This also creates a phenomenon known as a demographic dividend in earlier stages, when a large working-age population supports fewer dependents, but this reverses with persistent low fertility. Ultimately, understanding low fertility rates and their consequences helps us anticipate future needs for healthcare, education, social security, and even housing. It informs local planning decisions, from where to build new schools or senior centers to how to maintain a vibrant workforce. By grasping these population dynamics, you gain a deeper insight into the forces shaping our communities and the broader society, enabling more informed conversations about our collective future.